A year ago, I was beaming with pride when I wore a crown.
Nalalaman mo lang paglabas.
Maganda pag may problems ka.
I thank you all.
From Cebu. Diba?
To those people who made my dream come true.
Kami,
To
Cebu.
Manita Venus, for the support and
Dipolog yung dad ko. Sana. Yung auntie ko mayor dun.
where you is.
That's why we're here.
Whatever.
Trying blind.
What?
Trying blind.
What is meant to be will always be.
I'm gonna fall asleep.
So, ang PBB never ka-eliminated because of voting sa loob ng bahay. Yun nga kung bakit nagtataka ako di ba? Yung sa 6 natin. Random lang.
Possible. Lipat namin. Tapos, sinoko pa ako ni Kuya na 13, ready ko na lumipat. Umalis sa bahay ko. Ako, ha? Umalis?
Be careful sila sa word nila. Ang always is lumabas sa looban. Hindi lumabas sa...
Oo, yan ba? Sabi ko, hindi po. Sabi nga, hindi, lilipat ng bahay. Tapos sabi ko, hindi, okay pa ako dito. First week. Kasi pinadala sa akin blindfold. Tapos, para tingnan.
Sine-joke ka lang.
Sabi niya, joke lang. Kuya naman, nervous ako doon.
I was just saying, top 3 here is Pigaw, you, and Tim. My top 3.
You're cray-cray. Ayos sa'yo.
Top 3 lang eh. Top 4 siya. Pang Sam Milby yung peg niya eh.
Ito pa ano?
Sabi hindi.
Gwapo yun?
Viola Pascual.
Hindi.
Crush yun ni Divine si Viola Pascual.
He's so cute.
Really? Sige, when you get out, he'll be waiting for you.
I hope so. I don't think I'll be straight for him, though. I would like to be his best friend.
Just,
So I can look at him all day, wandering around.
bye.
He's pretty. He's a pretty man.
Oh, I don't want that description for me.
You're a cute man.
Pretty boy. Pretty boy.
Si Sam. Describe.
I don't know. I haven't...
Smile.
Yeah. Am I supposed to do that?
No, just me.
Bait mo. Lalo ko.
Si...
Can I put my legs here?
Jake Cuenca.
Bakit si Jake Cuenca? What's up with Jake Cuenca?
Wala lang. Ano?
Yes.
Wow.
Thank you.
Ah, I like that. It's warm.
Oo nga, sa paa. Si Jake Cuenca, bad boy look. Taran.
Who's the guy with all the tattoos? He's a model for something in Ayala. Have you seen him? Sorry. Have you seen him?
Derek Ramsey has tattoos, but not that much.
I think he's a musician. He sings also and he acts. He's in a commercial for...
Oh, Billy Crawford.
Oh,
Billy
okay.
Crawford. Kulit nun siya ano, Luis Manzano. Super kulit pag magkasama.
Hindi ko naintindihan kung bakit, bakit sumikat siya sa England, di ba? Billy Crawford. Oo. Tapos ba't siya lumipat dito?
Oo. Parang mas
siya, diba?
exposure ata.
Pabalik siya doon sa France for 4 months.
Talaga?
Talaga.
Paano si Nikki? Nikki.
Ikaw, sino top 3 mo?
I don't know. I Everyone is everyone is.
No.
Individual. I guess I would say Bigel definitely.
I said Bigel and Tin.
Yeah, Tin too, and probably you.
Oh.
That's why you're such a lame-o for being in a freaking nomination. So I understand.
Are you sure? Huh? To be?
Okay ka lang, water.
Okay lang, kasi decision ko naman yun. Parang ayoko, pero yun yung pinandigan ko, pinadecision.
I'm gonna be rich.
Whatever will be will always be. What is meant to be will always be. Okay, pati, ano niya, tattoo niya.
Ako magpapatato ako, God knows.
Destiny, fate.
Yun. Okay.
I can't.
Okay, walang reaction.
Wait, you have to do it.
Maganda
So
siya.
I'm gonna put fingers
God
together
knows
and you have
best.
to leave them like that, okay?
Gusto mo naman ako yun.
Gusto mo?
I-explain sa'yo ng kulay yung bahil. Kaya nga sabi ko, God knows.
Wow, what? Si
Finger twister.
Alam mo yung kasabihan dito, oh. Parang yun yung dapat i-explain dito sa PBB House. Sabi ko,
Now leave it like that for as long as you can.
You know that, do that.